Welcome! If you want to change screen recorder sound settings in your HUAWEI MatePad 11, first of all need download and install X-Recorder application from App Gallery. So then go into this application, click OK, and on the bottom we got settings option, so click it, and then in the first video block option we got record audio. Now I got mute. When you tap on this option, you can choose, for example, microphone, internal audio, or mute options. So, for example, internal audio, click allow, and now when I get started my screen recorder, audio will be internal, not without microphone and another. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.